Hi there. For you to be happy in a relationship, you need to have a man that loves you and treats you like a queen. To make your boyfriend or husband treat you like a queen, first of all, make sure that you show him that he is your whole world. Don't make your husband feel that you are granted though. Maintain a balance. Eyes never lie. If you feel love for your spouse, he sees it in your eyes. If you have doubts or fear, also he will see it. Any feeling is drawn in upon your face. Remember, your man isn't your best girlfriend from school. He is your lover, your companion, your significant other. Making him jealous by telling him about how handsome is your new neighbor is not a good idea. If you are feeling like playing in the park, he will go to Disneyland to play, with a one-way ticket. The psychological ties of a man. Men from nature are polygamous. We could say the same for women, but that's not the case. The ultimate purpose of female nature is to become a mother, to get pregnant and bring a child into this world. Purpose of female nature, not the female's purpose. By nature, the ultimate purpose of men is to plant their seeds. When a woman has a child, she feels fullness and bond with the man of her child forever. The man doesn't have the same connection. He doesn't feel complete with a child. The psychological ties of a woman are miles away from man's. A woman gives her heart and mind in her relationship and never leave, at least not till her heart flight away. A man, on the other hand, gives himself entirely to a woman when he's in love, but when the time pass and the in-love effect fades away, then he resets to his primal instincts. Which is to spread his sperm around the globe once more. Make your husband want only you and treat you like a queen is essential in your marriage. The minds of men and women work differently. Really? Tell me something I don't know. Your husband might cheat you because he loves you, how's that? If he feels that your relationship falls into a mist, he will need to renew your relationship. He could cheat only to recharge his batteries, for him to be able to give back to you. There are numerous reasons why your spouse may want other women. If your lover doesn't feel satisfied, or maybe the daily problems exhausted him, he might see cheating as a way out. Men cheat their mothers with their wives and their wives with their girlfriends. See the pattern? They always are deeply connected with their mothers and also with their wives. The girlfriends are the last link in this chain. A girlfriend for a husband is a substitute for renewal and recharge, to turn back where they feel secure. How to prevent this from happening? How to make him treat you like a queen? Welcome to Success Aeon. Success Aeon will help you improve yourself and your relationships. Boyfriends and girlfriends. Husbands and wives. Understanding different types of emotions and human behavior is crucial for your relationship to be successful. With rare educational resources for psychology in relationships. And expert relationship and dating tips. We provide you with a life change opportunity. So is there anything that you can do to make him don't need this feeling? This desire of a recharge. A man has to fight his nature, and that can be made only through a deep connection with his significant other. All relationships have ups and downs. There is a severe chance at some point in your marriage that the routine will probably alienate you. When this time comes, various temptations will penetrate between you two. Then it's time to decide. Do you want to fight these temptations and close your eyes, showing respect to your other half? If he doesn't respect you, he doesn't respect himself. Your man should admire you for all the times you stood beside him, most importantly the bad times. You have earned it. Get in his arms and make a beautiful flashback to the past from time to time. If he loves your heart, he loves your mind. And if he loves your mind, he loves your body as well. A woman with a wonderful body is lovely for one night. But a woman with a beautiful mind is gorgeous for a lifetime. A great marriage doesn't just happen. It takes time and persistence. Any marriage has fights, secrets, fears, jealousy, and pain, but also has true love that can overpass all issues and leave a sweet taste. Make him treat you like his queen. Get what you deserve in your relationship. Well, first of all, make obvious to him that you understand what a man feels and needs. And that you expect the same thing. Close your eyes in temptations. Because temptations will come for both. It's de facto, as it is certain that it will rain, but this time with thunders. Make clear to your man that there is no turning back after this. You are there to give all of you for him, and he has to respect that. As you see, you need to talk, and then talk some more. Communication is important in any relationship. In marriage it's vital. Think smart. You have to work really hard to get what you deserve in a relationship. For you to have a better relationship, and for your boyfriend or husband to be treated you well, you have to make him yours. How to make him change. How to make a guy change and be a better man. Now, don't make clear to him that you know what kind of woman he likes. Use that knowledge to make some changes. Your hair is an incredible way to make him feel refreshed. Changing colors from time to time is a terrific recharge for both of you, for different reasons. Men like these changes. Try to be in good shape. His physical needs are no laughing matter. Give enormous importance to this. No need to run every day at the gym or exercise all the time, but keeping a good shape to pleases his eyes and hands, it's critical. Be a lady in everyday life, but a wild animal in bed. Surprise him with ways and emotions he doesn't expect. Bring to life his fantasies. Don't just have sex with him, make him feel he does more than that. Make him want only you. I know sometimes it is hard, you might be tired from work or running all day with the kids. Or maybe you face numerous problems, but it's essential to stop avoiding him when he wants sex. In a long love relationship, to stay forever in love with your man is almost impossible. How to be in love forever? The odds are the same as hit by a thunderbolt twice. In the same week. Inside your home. Under your bed. In a house under the sea. Well, you have to be lucky. The ultimate purpose of a relationship is to level up, from the in love, to true love. If you are in the true love level, good for you. You are in the right spot, and you earn so many feelings, that make you happy and full. But also know that the issues are more and the maintenance even harder. You need to make the right steps at this level to avoid disastrous results in your relationship. If you fulfill your husband's mind and heart and his sexual needs, then there are no reasons on this planet to want another woman. You will make him treat you like his queen. Making your spouse jealous is a perspective but needs caution. Intrigue him to want you more, not to fear that he might lose you. Make him feel that it's an innocent game, not a reason to feel insecure. Sex games and sexual fantasies, for the king and his queen. Don't be afraid that he will think or treat you like a whore. If you are a real lady in your daily life, he will enjoy this change, because he will see that it's just a game. You have to learn the secret language of desire. If you want to have a massive weapon in your arsenal, check the link in the description. Don't forget, you want to make your man desire only you, and treat you right. A fascinating way is to arrange a single day in the week, a day that you both have time and space to play, a role-playing game. It's a great alternative. There are countless games you can play, and this is a good one. Not only you will have fun, but you will also break the monotony in your relationship. You have to be careful though, the line here is thin. Make him feel that is you in a different costume and situation. Alternative solutions for conservative boyfriends. If your boyfriend is conservative, then you have multiple issues. There is a chance that he's from the types that will never look for another woman. He embraces the knowledge to fight against his nature. If you are sure that this is his mindset, then I am happy for you. Stop the video, and go give him a big hug, tell him how important he is for you and that you love him more than anything in this world. The rest, 3.5 billion women, should continue with the vid. Men are men, and even conservative boyfriends or husbands could transform. You can't imagine what they are capable of, no one has only oneself. We all are complicated individuals with multiple personalities, and even if we select one way to progress in life, that doesn't mean that other aspects of ourselves don't exist. Find a gap for sex games, and go for it. Be more conservative in the beginning and open up steadily. If you see that your spouse doesn't enjoy it, then obviously stop it. At least you will know that you don't need to do that, unless of course, you wish it. That's a different subject. A man needs to have an audience, need to know that you admire and respect him. He wants to be a hero for you. If you don't make him feel like a hero and you don't give attention to what he says, then he will seek it somewhere else. Be the woman who truly listens and understands him. Tune into what he needs to say, make him feel less alone. When he speaks to you, he speaks to himself. Be his therapist, his mother, his teacher, his friend, and his lover. And he will desire only you, he will treat you like a queen, he will live only for you. Key steps from start to finish. Level 1 in love. First, you met, and as time goes by, you know each other more and more. You are new to him, a unique experience, you are his world. He wants only you. You have won his heart, he is in love with you. After some time you make everything to show you are the one for him. You win his mind. You provide him with emotions that had never felt before and put his needs over yours. You adore your man with all your heart, and you respect him. And he, from his part, grant you his mind and his thoughts. Level 2 in love into true love. The third step is to fulfill his sexual needs, and this is when the game begins. This is when most of the women screw. Time has passed. The time that he treated you like a queen is over. And the flame of the relationship has faded. Make your man treat you like a queen forever. Win his heart. Stop being stubborn, learn how to take steps back when needed. Be loyal and show that you live only for your man. Smile. Not only to get a beautiful picture to put it on your Facebook profile. Smile to your man all the time, you will always be his sweetheart. For your lover, you still are the girl who first saw and fall in love. Make things for him that no one else does. Communication, as I mentioned earlier, is essential. You have to talk all the time with your significant other. Do you know what is more significant than talk? Listen to what he says. First, be a listener and then give your opinion or provide solutions he might need. When a person talks too much, in most cases doesn't say anything at all. At least anything essential and valuable. By the way, I didn't intend this video to be that long. Hopefully, I don't fall into the same trap here. Let me know in the comments below. Also like and subscribe, if you like the video. Where had we left? Yes, so communication equals first listen and then talk. Let's see now, what to avoid, to win his heart and make your boyfriend or husband treat you like a queen. You shouldn't be strict toward his thoughts. Don't be absolute with his actions. Try to flow in a wave of understanding. Extract from your husband his best feelings. From day one, until the end of time, try for the best. And his heart will belong to you forever. So step number 1. Win his mind. Make sure that your husband knows where you belong. Don't let him treat you like you're for granted. Use small mind games to your advantage. Do the best you can, be a better spouse every day, and try to be a better person as time pass. Your man will appreciate and admire your efforts. This way, you will win his mind. Don't make him jealous in a way he feels insecure. If your husband is fearful that he might lose you, probably it will trigger negative results. Make him think of you all the time. Tell him that a surprise awaits him when he comes back home, and when he is back, welcome him with his favorite underwear, or without. Play with his mind and force him to desire you all the time. A safe solution? Sex mind games are the easiest way to do it. Improvise according to his tastes. This isn't a one-and-done plan. Do this kind of stuff regularly, and the mind of your man will belong to you forever. Step number 2. Win his body. Now, what matters the most for any guy? Married, or single? Sex. Give him enough sex and all the little voices in your head will quiet. Add sex games into your daily life and crumble the routine. A big dose of good sex can revive any relationship. What each person likes is subjective. Act upon your boyfriend's preferences accordingly. Again, maintain a balance, but make it a habit. Sex isn't the foremost imperative thing in a marriage. But it's the salt and pepper in any relationship. Make sure to use not only salt and pepper, but a ton of substance and spices to keep your relationship always fresh. Bottom line? Winning his heart will make you feel safe. To have love or honey, it's easy. To have a satisfied man that will treat you like a queen, is an endless race with sharks. So start swimming and never look back. Fight for the man you love and he will turn the world around to make you happy. You can't know for sure what a man has in his mind. But you must do everything in your power to decode it. Listen carefully to what your man tells. Try not to make quick conclusions. Until your husband's thoughts travel to a specific place, your thoughts will come and go 1,000 times. It's not that hard to play with his mind. Make it yours. When you have your husband's heart and mind, 99.9%, it's yours to keep. Nice work. To complete the puzzle, you only need to fulfill his sexual needs. Give him what he asks. Give even more from what he wishes. Give even things he doesn't know he desires. Always be a step ahead, and he will treat you like a queen forever and ever. Win his heart, mind and body will enrich your relationship. This way you don't let him want something else or something different. This is how you make him live only for you. Make him want you all the time, by making him feel fullness. Make him laugh and relax his tense of the day. He must have this feeling when he opens the door to his home that the problems and tiredness stay out. Moreover, have fun. It's tremendous for both of you, and he will check the clock every day to come to you as soon as possible. Let me know what do you think, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below.